Okay, let's move on. We had one listing today, International Gemmological Institute, and it had a good listing despite the overall weakness in the market. It listed with a premium of about 22%. Didn't hold on to the entire bid, but it's still in the green right now, 13% up. Mangalam is here with more details. Mangalam.
Absolutely. So it was one of those listings that was on the green side today. The stock listed at around 510 rupees versus an issue price of 417. Market cap closer to around that 20,000 crore mark right now as well. And if you annualize the 9-month earnings, into 2024, the stock is actually currently at current levels trading at 47 times annualized CY24 price to earnings itself. What does the company do? It provides certifications for diamonds, studded jewelry and colored stones. It's the world's second largest independent certification and accreditation services provider, and more importantly has a global market share of 33% as well as far as volumes are concerned in CY 2023 itself. Fresh issue from the proceeds of the IPO will be responsible, will take the company's structure more global. They will have operations in India, Belgium, Netherlands, Turkey, UAE, Israel and a bunch of other countries as well. For the first 9 months of this calendar year, they've done revenues closer to 600 crores. And because it's a certification business, the margins are a lot higher, close to around that 72% mark itself. And they have a net profit margin of around 35% as well. Once the company consolidates the other businesses, and that's where you have to look at the pro forma business, where existing revenue from the current company, then IGI, Belgium and Netherlands together would be close to around 800 crores for the first 9 months of this year. Earnings are a function of volumes and uniqueness of the diamonds is what the company had earlier told us. Natural diamonds bring the uniqueness, whereas lab-grown diamonds, which have now turned to around 60% of their overall contribution, will bring the volumes. The margins to the company, they believe, are stable at around that 72% mark, and they are growing at 30% in India, and they believe lab-grown diamonds will drive growth going forward. The only thing we need to watch out for is certification for lab-grown diamonds, whether they're needed in the near future or not, once it becomes a lot more commonplace. So we'll keep an eye out on the sustainability of these revenues going forward.
Thank you very much for that. That is an important point.